Alright guys, today we're going to talk light modified tractor pulling here at the Pullers Championship, so let's go.
Make up for that one. Let's see what she's got. Ladies, let's make some noise.
We're looking at two 140 millimeter turbochargers and 6 inch exhaust, and we got a Griffin engine that's 2239 cubic inches, and we're trying something different. We had a blower on there, and the factory blower, and it pulled about 600 horsepower to make the boost that we're making about 46 to 50 pounds a boost, and so we put 8.5 to 1s in here, pistons and compression ratio, and so we dropped their boost down from 46 to roughly 30 pounds of boost. And so last night we was at Nashville and Illinois here, and we tried some looser turbo housings here. I got 2 of them. There's one upstairs, and these are 40 pounds a piece, just the housings are. And we're just gonna see if it spun these turbochargers. If it did, it was gonna make more horsepower. It didn't like it, it didn't spin them. So I brought my other housings with me, and we put them back on there, and hope to make a nice run tonight.
Oil compounders in the United States. This means we blend our own oil. We have the ability to obtain the highest quality ingredients available, blend them together, market them by our Pico's brand names. Pico's been and we got a little fire underneath that one, so a little bit of a green flame underneath the headers there, guys. Up there, make sure that's okay. Contact me to go to Todd Spice, Orangeburg, Indiana. Stone Farmer. Machine finished up number 2 last night. I'm next with for Ty Ulmer, the Sweet Things, and Kevin Massetti. Madera, California. The whip. Big here is 02. Looking at a strong carry out of number 1. I mean, you've driven it before, though. It's not more than time driving, so not too much. So, like, when Brady Stephen, you're speaking his house, and like tie him up, and like pretend you he picked up and got after a little harder tonight. Great run for the Radio Reactor.
Yeah, gotta love the sound, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause coming all the way from the East Coast, just north of the clock. Replay, as you can